April 17, 2018, a rapidly moving cold front slammed into two major wildfires raging across western Oklahoma. My name is Jeff Piotrowski. I capture Mother Nature's most extreme moments.
It's 9 miles and closing. Maybe it's the front at 850 or something, but you can see a cloud bank coming in, or it's pushing the smoke up back to our northwest. Cold front is now hitting the fire line. Front is now overtaking the fire. This is the southeastern flank. The wind's changing direction from southwest to northwest. Southeastern flank has exploded now. The winds were southwest at 15 to 25, and now they're gusting out of the northwest at 55 miles an hour.
Combined, these fires consumed over 350,000 acres.
Nature mimics itself in various ways. In this clip, if I didn't know better, the raging wildfire looks like a massive wedge tornado crossing the road.